What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Mike Burford here, man. I just want to show you a little bit about making money online. The site is called OfferUp that I'm currently on now. So what you can basically do is, go to offerup.com, and what you can do is, for all the people that say they don't have any money, what you can actually do is, start selling things around the house. And OfferUp, it is definitely free. So what you can actually do is it'd be better if you actually download it from your app store, whether you have a Android or Apple device. What you'll do is download it onto your phone. That is the quickest and easiest way to do it. And what you'll do is just take pictures of your item and just upload it onto the website. Now, what actually happens is also when you do go to the website here. Let me just go here now and show you guys here. With my particular items here, I have it all listed here. These are all my items that I currently have here listed. And what you can do also is basically go on your phone and you can have each item boosted, but it does come at a price. Okay, you can definitely have each item boosted. Now, what normally happens, like I mentioned in my other video, is when it comes to OfferUp, what you'll do is what the other person would actually do is actually send you a message, and if they're interested in buying it and would like to set up an appointment to meet you, what you can do again, you can meet in either a safe area, whether it's Target, Best Buy, Home Depot, Home Goods, ShopRite, wherever you would like to. Definitely meet up with that person and sell your item. You can definitely sell your item this way. Okay, because I'm actually tomorrow I'm in the process to actually meeting someone to sell one of my items actually on here. So this is one of the fastest and quickest ways to actually make some money online. Okay, and it's absolutely free. But like I mentioned before, as far as boosting your particular item, yes, that does come at a cost, but you can definitely go online or actually go on your mobile device and it'll actually show it here. Okay, yeah, there's just a little bit of little things here I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, YouTube, again, this is Mike Burford here, man. I'll be just, trying to show you how, man, later on, YouTube, I'm out.